I'm about to reveal the top 5 crypto investments that could change your life in the next bull run. Welcome back to Crypto Cobra. If you watch this exact video to the very end, I'll show you which coins I predict could 10x by 2026. Let's go. Okay, so here's the deal. I spent the last 3 weeks talking to crypto experts, analyzing blockchain data, and digging through thousands of altcoins to find the absolute best long-term cryptocurrency investments for you. And the number one on this list, it's the coin most people have never heard of. Before we jump in, smash that like button and subscribe, because 90% of people watching my videos aren't subscribed, and that's just crazy. Okay, so coming in at number 5, we have Chainlink. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't Chainlink old news? Wrong. Here's why Chainlink is still one of the smartest long-term crypto investments you can make right now. Oracle dominance. Chainlink powers over 70% of DeFi Oracle services. Real-world adoption. Banks and institutions are actually using this technology. Cross-chain future. As more blockchains emerge, they all need Chainlink's data feeds. The tokenomics are solid and institutional crypto adoption keeps growing. This is the infrastructure play you need in your portfolio for passive income potential down the line. Current price undervalued compared to its utility. This is a buy and hold for the smart money. And number 4 on the list is going to blow your mind. It's Pudgy Penguins. Now listen, this isn't just another meme coin or a random NFT project. Pudgy Penguins has done something no other NFT project has ever pulled off. They went from JPEGs to actual toy stores. Here's why this is a genius long-term investment. Physical retail resident. Their toys are in Walmart, Target, and Amazon. We're talking mainstream adoption, brand recognition. Kids and parents know Pudgy Penguins without knowing crypto. NFT integration. The toys comes with NFT claims, creating a bridge between Web 2 and Web 3. Community strength. One of the most engaged communities in the entire crypto space. This is how you build real value in crypto, not just speculation. Actual products, actual revenue, actual brand equity. The token launch created insane momentum, and this project is positioned for massive growth as crypto adoption accelerates. If you're looking for a crypto project with real world utility, Pudgy Penguin is it. At number 3, we have Avalanche, and this one's a sleeper that's about to wake up. Avalanche is solving the biggest problem in cryptocurrency right now: scalability without sacrificing security. Here's what makes AVAX a top crypto investment for 2025 and beyond. Coming in at number 2, we have Solana, and before you say everyone already knows about Solana, listen to why this is still one of the best cryptocurrency investments for the long term. Solana had its issues in 2022, but guess what? The team fixed the network issues and now it's dominating. And at number 1, we have a coin, a very new coin. It's just a few days old. It's called Group 7. This coin, I think this coin could actually go up to probably 10-20x. Okay, why? A lot of freaking people on TikTok and other channels are talking about the Group 7. Okay, so I think this has great potential. I will have the contract link to the Group 7 in the description of this video. And most importantly, do not invest more than you have to lose in any cryptocurrency out there. And most importantly, make sure you learn as much as humanly possible in crypto, and you at home there will eventually earn. Have a great day. Take care.